Oh man, sometimes I get a product in here and I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get that unboxing knife and get it done. Look, this is the Cowin E8s. I've never reviewed a Cowin product, but I heard a lot of good things about the Cowin E7 and the Cowin E7 Pro. So I cannot wait to get my ears up in between these ear cups. Let's just get rid of this wrapper. Got this silvery black box. Oh man, let's just, the box is trolling me because it knows I want to get inside. Okay, so, wow, VIP card. Okay, let's look at this. Become a VIP today and claim your free gift. Man, all right, that's a nice little VIP card right there. God, it's got some, it's got a real quality feel to it. Got your instructions, won't be needing that. Got a thank you card from Cowin. And then we have a very large case. This case is actually very large. Let's put this box to the side. So the case is actually a hard shell case, but it's like a semi-hard shell. It's got this like a canvas outside, so it's, you know, kind of scratch resistant. Got a little carabiner right there. Got some Cowin branding on the front of the case and the zipper. And let's just open it up. Wow, wow. All right, look at that presentation. All right, so got this velvet bag with a little drawstring. That should have your accessories in there. Man, I'm feeling, wow. Okay, gold plated. You got your airplane adapter here, and you got your, I always forget what size this is, but it's an adapter when you want to listen to some, when you want to plug this into your amp or something like that. And then you got a braided USB cable. Nice touch, Cowin. Heavy duty braided USB cable. And then you got a braided, you got a braided 3.5 millimeter. Wait a minute. This is 3.5 millimeter to something else. It's 3.5 millimeter on one side, which goes into your output device. And then the, I think it's like 2 millimeter. I don't know. It's smaller. It's not proprietary. It's just a smaller end right here that goes into the headphones. Glad I caught that. So don't lose this or you'll be trying to buy a new one, but it is braided. Man, nice touch, Cowin. Then you got, you just unbuckle your headphones, and then you got the case right there, which is actually laid out, and it doesn't come out, it's laid out so you can put your headphones in there and get it straight every time. Let's put that over there. Wow, okay, they're pretty light for the size. These are actually big headphones, man. They're pretty light for the size though. But let's take this off. Take that off. All right, so build quality. I'm giving them an A++ on build quality. Man, nice plush padding at the top. Got that deep, rich gold plating. Got Cowin branding on the inside of there. No crickety cracketiness. Sturdy plastic, thick sturdy plastic. You know I like it thick. Oh, and this is metal. I'm feeling that cool metal right there. Then you got some matte black right there. I don't know why they put the bottoms. I don't know why they made the bottoms gloss, but I kind of like it. These look good. You got some, I don't know what these are. I guess these are noise canceling mics, and then the mic to talk on your phone. You got, it looks like a speaker grill. It's probably noise canceling though, because these are noise canceling headphones. And then you got a little mic right there. Then it looks like you got a mic right here, mic there, and another speaker grill or mic there. Got some Cowin branding right there, but you can't even see it, man. It's like ghost branding. That's how you brand a product. Then you get your left and right. Oh man, I like that ghost branding. And these ear cups, they're not memory foam, but they are plush. Man, they look like little donuts, like black donuts. Let me put them on my head. Oh. Nice. This is nice. This is nice. This is real nice. They are over ear cups, but the holes are not big enough to engulf your ears in them. But you don't feel your ears touching. Nah, man, your ears get up in there. Wow, these are comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable headphones. Not heavy on the head. Not heavy on the head at all. Wow. Okay, I'm impressed. I'm sorry, I'm speechless. I'm just that impressed. Okay, good so far. Oh man, the buttons are nice and tactile. The the ANC comes on. See that green LED? The ANC comes on with or without the music playing. So let's see. Let me just test it out real quick. These actually block out a lot of sound with the ANC off. Like, that's why they're so thick. There's probably a lot of padding in there. Let me turn it on. Oh man, my AC just kicked on. Hold on, let me see if it blocks it. AC's gone. Wow. Okay, so these actually block out a lot of noise just on your head, because if you can see here, I mean, these bad boys, they're not small headphones. So they block out quite a bit of noise because of all the cushion in here. When you turn the ANC on, you can hear a slight hiss. That's that white noise that you usually hear with ANC headphones when you turn on the ANC. It doesn't seem to be too bad. There's not a thump or anything. You just hear it turn on. And the AC went away. So these actually do block out quite a bit of noise. Now with noise canceling, majority of the time, like I said, you usually get a lot of the low frequency tones blocked out. But as far as mid-range and high-pitched stuff, you still will probably hear a lot of that. Not like it's in your face or anything, but you'll hear it like from a distance. But the low frequency tones like airplane, buses, trains and stuff like that, people probably hammering or something, or a lawnmower or a tractor. Some dude asked me one time if the ANC would work with a tractor. Yes, yes, it'll block it out. The air coming out of my AC is pretty loud, so it actually blocked all of that out. But the ANC works great on here so far. So far, we're gonna do some in-depth testing in just a minute, but let's hear some music, man. Let's get these things paired up. Gotta play me some music, man. I've been dying to try these headphones on. All right, so let's see. Press and hold. Damn, it immediately goes into pairing mode. Okay, let's see. Let me scan. Okay, E8. Man, lightning fast pairing. It immediately goes into pairing mode as soon as you turn it on. And then it just pairing, just like that. Okay, so cool. Let's put them on my head, man. Y'all ready for the jam session? Let's go. All right, ANC off. What was I listening to? Ooh, Can't Lose by Young Buck. Y'all gotta check that new one out by Young Buck. Okay, let me turn it down. Okay, so right off the top, man, these headphones sound great. I actually changed my EQ from normal, which is kind of a flat, to rock. I like these headphones on rock. It brings the bass forward and it brings the treble forward on this particular song, where probably any hip hop. The rock setting on my phone was great. Nice. Oh, it was nice. It was, it was just nice. Everything's balanced. No muddiness. There was plenty of clarity. The bass was enough. These aren't super bass heavy, but they carry a nice low note. But that's with the ANC off. Typically with headphones, you turn the ANC on and then the sound signature changes. So let's just see if that happens here. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my experience. Let me see. Ain't no way I'm gonna lose. Let me turn it on. Hold up. Wow, okay. Yeah, it's on. Okay. So what happens is they're just maybe 1 decibel louder with the ANC off. When you turn on the ANC, it kicks it down, the overall volume down, maybe 1 decibel. But the sound gets more pronounced. You can actually hear the absence of noise. I know that don't make no sense, but you can hear the absence of your surroundings. It makes you feel like you're in there, like you're closed into a private space. So I would have to say that this noise canceling works great. It does not change the sound signature in a negative way, and it actually does block out sound, quite a bit of sound as far as I'm concerned. So what does that mean for, oh, by the way, they sound fantastic. They sound great. Dude, I love the look of these headphones. I'm usually not a black and gold kind of guy, but I'm digging the way they did it. It's nice and classy. It's not overdone. They got this ghost branding right here. Nice sturdy build quality. You got metal right here on the frame. Right here you got this aluminum. I don't know if it's aluminum or maybe some stainless steel here. It's got all your markings in there, 1 through 7, so you'll know exactly where you are. It looks like maybe millimeters. I don't know, but yeah, they got a lot of markings on there. But then it's backed up with some plastic right here. Oh, and it's lubricated. And you got your, I mean, the gold accents is just, I mean, it's just enough gold to make these look fly. Then you got a gold button back there. Oh man. Oh snap. So you can change your ear cuffs out. Oh snap. Okay, that was magnetic. It's not broken, it's magnetic. Check it out. That is so fly. Okay, Cowin, thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for Cowin, man. Interchangeable or replaceable ear cuffs, just in case you wear these out. Super comfortable. They sound great with the ANC on and off. The ANC actually works. Build quality is fantastic. The styling is fantastic. I don't think I have anything bad to say about these headphones. For the price, 150 bucks. Here's the real question. If you got 150 bucks, is it worth spending them on these? I say yes. If you got 150 bucks, you want some noise canceling headphones that sound really great and look good too, spend your 150 on some Cowin E8s, man. Good job, Cowin. Way to go. Anyways, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just jamming me some young buck. Oh man, I gotta get out of here. But before I do, y'all know what to do. You go ahead and tap that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.